Reggae Boyz head coach Hamir Holgrimson has made 7 changes to the starting 11, which lost 1-0 to Trinidad and Tobago on Saturday, as the two teams are now squaring off at the National Stadium. The boys are looking to tie the series by winning this encounter. In fact, it's now half-time. Karen Madden is at the National Stadium and now joins us live. Karen?
Thank you very much, Spencer. Well, in what it is his first game at the National Stadium, Coach Hamir Holgrimson has given a start to 17-year-old Kingston College standout, Dejon Whisper Richards, fresh from his pre-contract signing with top-flight England club Chelsea. The 17-year-old is joined by Chelsea teammate Omari Hutchinson, alongside goalkeeper Jamali Waite of Pittsburgh River Hounds, Dexter Lembiska of Wolves, and captain Adrian Mariappa. They are joined by local base players Ricardo Thomas, Lamar Walker, Demario Phillips, Joshon Anglin, and Jamoy Topi. The Jamaicans have enjoyed much of the possession, or in fact most of the possession in the first half, but have been let down by their insistence on bypassing the midfield. In fact, the best chance of the half came to Whisper Richards, who pulled off a fine save from the Trinidadian goalkeeper, who has seen most of the action. But weight in the Jamaica goal has been brought into play, much to the anxiety of the hundreds of fans who have turned up here at the National Stadium. Coach Holgrimson has lots of options on the bench and could ring in the changes in the second half as he gives players a chance to impress him. So in this, the second game of the 2-match friendly international series between Jamaica's Reggae Boyz. It's Reggae Boyz 0 and the Soca Warriors of Trinidad 0. It's 0-0 at the halftime break as we throw you back to you, Spencer.
Alrighty, thank you very much, Karen. Meanwhile, the